So we decided to do an observational study.
What catches your eye more?
Litter or money? To answer this question, we dropped trash and money in the senior courtyard and commons to see who would pick it up.
Using our secret cameras, we use our special statistic knowledge to find the true population proportion.
Parameter of interest, P sub M is the true proportion of J.M. Robinson's students that do not pick up money. That do pick up money placed on the floor, and the P sub T is the true proportion of J.M. Robinson's students that pick up trash placed on the floor.
Our null hypothesis is that the amount of people that pick up money will equal the amount of people that pick up trash. Our alternative hypothesis is that more people will pick up money than they will pick up trash.
Would you pick up trash if you saw it just laying in a Robinson hallway?
Yes. I would, because I don't like trash. It depends on the trash.
I would.
Yeah.
Would pick up trash in school if I saw it.
When would you not pick up trash?
If it was like sticky or
I'm gonna like pick up a used food wrapper.
Yeah, that's good. That's not about that.
Yeah.
I saw somebody else drop it and it's really far away and they're still there, I kind of expect them to pick it up.
I get tissue. People use tissue.
Or if I was like running late for class.
There's a whole bunch of people in the hallway. You're not trying to block everyone by stopping to pick it up.
But if it's just like a green piece of paper, you pick that up? Yes.
Yeah, if it's a piece of paper, yeah.
Okay, so if it was just like a green piece of paper and there's a trash can like 2 feet from you. And for yes. The inference procedure that we chose was a 2-sample z-test of 2 proportions. It is reasonable to assume that 10% of the students of J.M. Robinson will walk by during lunch, thus satisfying the independent condition.
The proportion of successes and failures for both parameters were greater than 10, thus the normality condition was met.
Our sample was randomly selected by the random students that decided to leave during lunch each day. So as we did our experiment, we noticed that more teachers picked up trash than students.
We even noticed that janitors picked up the trash, but I mean, that's their job, so. So, to sum up our trash data, out of the 267 people that walked by, only 13 people picked it up.
Statistically speaking, our P sub T hat value was 0.0481.
The days we spent observing people pick up money was definitely more interesting than trash.
You lose something?
Is it yours?
While some people failed to notice the dollar, others definitely did, and we had to chase them down to get back our money. There were a lot of people that got the money and ran, or thought it was their lucky day. But a good amount of people picked up the money and tried to return it. Like Hannah, and this guy, and this kid. We decided to ask a few people why they picked up the dollar, just for funsies.
So Zach, why did you take the dollar?
Just use it for the Chris West thing, so we can write
Because it was there.
Someone left a dollar. If I left a dollar, I would want someone to bring it to me, even though it's just a dollar.
Because I saw it on the floor. Yeah, I picked it up because he didn't tell me. Well, she didn't tell me to pick it up. She just told me that there was a dollar for my food bag. I was like, oh, it's a dollar.
Why did you return it?
Because I thought that was the right thing to do.
So to sum up our money data, out of the 173 people that walked by, 20 people picked up the dollar.
For the stats version, the P sub M hat value was 0.116.
With every experiment, we encountered a few problems.
Some of the people walking by would see us drop the trash or the money.
When administrators were in sight, it caused a response bias that made students feel like they had to pick up the money or trash.
Sometimes students would notice the camera.
Sometimes students would know about the experiment, throwing off our results. Thanks, Aaron.
Our test statistic is 2.6413.
And our p-value is 0.00462.
To conclude this observational study,
More people picked up money!
formerly, the true proportion of people that picked up money was greater than the true proportion of people that picked up trash.
So we reject our null hypothesis and favor the alternative.